Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. I've been absent, been really busy. YouTube don't pay the bills, so sadly I still gotta work.
The word today is job.
I've been getting a lot of questions about gun rights, what it was like the first time I bought a gun, the different guns that I bought, the background check, all of that. So wanted to address some of them things in this video. Real quick, if you haven't hit the like and subscribe button, I'm gonna be bringing y'all more content soon. So without further ado, let me show y'all the very first gun I bought and tell y'all what it was like me buying this gun for the first time. First gun I bought was a shotgun. It was a pump action shotgun. This really wasn't that expensive. I think I paid like $200 for this altogether. All guns in here have been checked. They are unloaded. This is unloaded. This is a 12 gauge shotgun. It's a Rock Island Armory import. I don't know if y'all can see that. This is like a gun made in Turkey. I think they call this like the Merava or something, but it's a really nice, really light shotgun. I mean, it's not heavy at all. You can easily carry it. They make this for home defense, and that's really the reason I got it. My wife, once I got my gun rights back, I felt like the most important thing was to find something that you can use to defend your home.
I'm not collard greens, my mustard greens, and my collard greens.
There's not much better you can use to defend your home than a shotgun. It's something that you don't got to be accurate with it. You do got to be accurate, but you don't got to know a lot about guns to know how to point, shoot, and aim a shotgun and be effective with it. So that's the purpose this serves. It's a home defense shotgun. I don't know if this is not really my go-to gun for home defense anymore, but when I first got into it, I felt like this was something that I could use. It was something that my wife could use if she needed to use a gun for home defense, but she don't like shooting it. She think it's too powerful. I guess a 12 gauge shotgun, especially one as light as this, you know, the lighter the gun, the more recoil you're gonna get when you shoot. But I really like this. It's a sweet gun. I feel like it was a good buy. 12 gauge. Can't go wrong with it. Another gun I bought was this. Safety check it first so you can see that it's unloaded. Y'all bear with me. I'm a left-hand shooter. The way things work with the camera is not the best for us lefties. This is a left-hand man living in the right-hand world. This is the Glock 44. Sorry, I had to look at it. I'm not really a Glock guy per se. But this is the Glock 44. I got this for my wife. I was hoping that this would really get her into shooting guns, that she can go out to the range with me and we could have some fun together, and felt like Glock is probably one of the more simpler pistols, something that's easy for a person to use. You know, no safety, nothing. It's just load, point, and shoot. She didn't really like this gun too much. I mean, she liked it, but it's not really the best gun at all, especially a 22. 22 is, any gun is good for self-defense. Any bullet will hit and it will kill, but 22 is by far probably not the best. I want to get her up in calibers, but this was something I bought for us to get out and maybe she would have some fun with this gun. And it's not a bad gun. I mean, you know, it's your typical Glock sights, but 22 is something that mainly this gun is just used for people who like the Glock 19 but want something that they can shoot. If you got a Glock 19, this is good. It's the same size, same fundamentals, same everything. This is a Glock 19 holster. As you can see, it fits well, it doesn't come out, but so the same as a Glock 19, but you know, this is 22. This was the very next purchase I made. I'm gonna safety check it for you, YouTube, so you can see that this gun is not loaded. This is my carry gun right here. This is a CZ75 compact. It's the B version. I took the stock sights off because that's the one thing I don't like about CZ is their stock sights. Granted, they're better than Glock stock sights, but there's better stuff out there. So I picked these. These are the what's this called? The True Glow. Yeah, the True Glow sights. It has the tritium and the and it has this little ring around the front sight, so your eyes can quickly pick up that front sight, that orange. But it has tritium inside the sights, which means it glows at night, and it's also a fiber optic sight, which means this is going to pick up any ambient light in the room and reflect that through these dots, which gives you a really quick and easy sight picture to acquire at night. But the thing about night is, if you're in the night, you should be using a flashlight. I feel like guns with flashlights are way better and way superior to guns without flashlights. And that's probably one of the main reasons I want to upgrade my EDC, is because this gun doesn't have rail. But aside from that, it is a really, really smooth shooter. The thing that sets the CZ apart from most other guns is that it has that internal slide rail. The rail rides inside the lower frame of the gun, which gives you less mass on the gun and makes the gun easier to shoot. So when you shoot this gun, it shoots really, really flat. It tracks really, really well. It's not a lot of rides, not a lot of recoil. Easy to hit what you're shooting at with this gun. I like these sights, but they're not my favorite sights. But this is my current EDC. This is the holster that I carry it in. This is a Alien Gear holster, cloak tuck. Really easy, quick, fast draw with this holster. Really comfortable. I like that it has the two grips, because it gives you a wider base plate, and it kind of you don't feel the gun as much. It distributes that weight a lot better than something a holster with one. And that's the thing about these guns, these CZs, is they are heavy guns. But it's a really good holster. You got it on the left hand, as you see. You can put the gun in there and it's not gonna just fall out, but as soon as you grab it, you got your gun. So, this is my EDC. This is the way I carry it. I love it. I want to update it. Let me know what y'all think I should update this to. I'm thinking about getting either the P07 or the P10C, because I like CZs. I like that internal slide frame. I like that it's low recoil. But I want to upgrade this to a different EDC, something I can put a light on, and that's why I'm leaning towards the P10C or the P07, maybe even the P01. But I'm thinking about going with the polymer ones because it's a little bit lighter. I guess the king of polymer is Glock, but I'm not sure if I really want to get a Glock. Let me know what y'all think I should change this EDC to when I do change the EDC, and hopefully y'all feedback can help me make that decision, and I'll bring that to the channel. This has to be my favorite gun that I bought to the channel. Magazine's empty, gun's empty. This is the CZ SP01. It's kind of like the gun I just showed you, but this is the full-size counterpart to the CZ. This is a phenomenal gun. I like it because it has a flashlight. I remember I told y'all I got the shotgun for home defense, but this right here is my home defense gun. The reason I went with a pistol over home defense for a shotgun is the pistol is always going to be more easily accessible, easy to use, easier to put down and conceal if you want to. It's just all around better for home defense. You got more rounds. If you're an accurate shot, you know how to use your gun. You're not going to worry about missing. So the SP01, same thing with the CZs. They have that internal slide rail. You see the frame rides inside the slide of the gun. Makes it a really easy gun to shoot. This thing has almost no recoil. It's amazing. It's fun to shoot. I got the TLR one on here, the HL from Streamlight. Really good light. I love it. Easy to use. What more can I say about this gun? It comes with the rubber grips. You know what? I'm not even gonna go over all that because this gun deserves its own video. But you can see one thing I did do to it is I changed the sights on there. These are the Dawson precision sights right there, and they are lovely. But this is probably one of my favorite guns that I have, even though I shoot my EDC more than I shoot this, honestly. You'll see me, I missed the slide. That's something about CZs, is they do have that small slide, so if you're not really careful, if you're not being aggressive, you might miss it. But when I'm on the range, I grab it aggressively. But it's like, it's, you know, these are pretty much the same gun, except this one is bigger with the rail for lights and this one is smaller. I shoot this more than any of my guns because it's my EDC. 9 times out of 10, if I ever end up in a situation where I'm using a gun, it's gonna be this one. But I love this one. This takes the cake. If I could EDC this every day, I would, but this is not something that's gonna be easily concealable, easy to hide. But yeah, I love these guns, and I really love this one. And having that gun and this gun is what made me really lean towards wanting to get another CZ in the future. I mean, that single action on here is amazing, but it really made me lean towards wanting another one of these in the future. I don't really dry fire this at all. I know y'all was looking at that. Don't dry fire a metal gun. Don't dry fire a hammer fire gun. But yeah, I take care of this. Believe me, I do. I love this. And the one you've all been waiting for, just kidding. But this is a gun. This is X26. This is something that I just bought because, you know, being a felon, there's a time where you're not allowed to have guns. So I just felt like, you know, let me get a taser, something, stun gun, something just to have around, and just got this, picked it up, X26. It's a decent little thing to have. It's a fun little toy, but talk about guns. This is something that I feel like every gun owner should have. Safety check it for you so you can see there's nothing in there. Show you the empty chamber. So this is the Diamondback DB15. This is my AR. This is a really smooth and fun gun to shoot. I don't have experience with a whole lot of different ARs. I've shot ARs and M16s and stuff in the military, but this here, I got the flip up sights on it. I haven't put an optic on it yet, I know, but this is an amazing gun. Got the hand stop in the front, or the foregrip. Got the M-bus flip up sights. This gun is nice, just stock. It's a really nice gun to get stock. You got your chrome hammer forged barrel. They got that really beefy tip on it.
Pause.
A little bit of compensated ports on there for the beefy flash hider. Diamondback, put the little 5.56 on there. Got their little logo up under it. Diamondback really did a nice job. Came stock with the Magpul furniture with the storage under the bottom and in the back. What do y'all, let me know, what do y'all keep inside here? When y'all store these things, what do y'all keep inside here? I don't even know what I got in here. So I do know what I got in here. I got batteries in here for my ear pros, in case my ear pros down the range. When I do put an optic on here, that's what I'm gonna keep in here, is batteries for the optic. I'm thinking about getting a red dot, maybe like a SIG Romeo, or a I don't know what dot to put on this. I want an LPVO too, but yeah, something, yeah, probably LPVO. What y'all think? Dots, LPVOs, magnifiers. What's the best? But man, I love this gun. I love it. So thanks for the support. Thanks for sticking with me through my little gun video. I mean, it's not really a gun collection because I don't feel like I got enough guns to have a gun collection. I feel like 10 guns or more is really a collection. I'm going to keep adding to it, keep showing y'all, keep y'all updated on the progress I make as I'm a felon with these gun rights. A lot of people think that felons shouldn't have gun rights. They think that once you go to prison, you're in a class where you don't belong in society. You don't belong to have the same rights as other people in society, that you're just a pariah. And letting you know it's possible. Get your gun rights back. Buy your guns. Thank you for supporting the channel, and have a nice day.